I'm filming on my blue phone for these.
Blue phone versus iPhone 4.
Yeah, I'm saving my battery. In case we do any elevators in downtown today that I've never been on.
This.
Nice elevator. You've all seen this elevator trillions of times. Beautiful, all brown interior.
Look at the classic Dillard fixtures. And here's the phone. This incredible modded ADA compliant phone, but non-ADA height.
Yeah.
I love Dillard.
This was Bullock's originally.
I just love this elevator lobby. And they have Wi-Fi.
I think these doors are still locked, but let me. They are. No, they closed them due to COVID.
So how do you get in?
You go back. You have to go back down and go around.
This is the sideways elevator.
Go to one so we can get the office tower elevators. Have you been on those before?
No.
Oh, you're gonna love them. You're in for a treat.
I love this wood grain.
Same here.
Yeah. This is just a sticker, I think.
So it's still all
It's
brown
still,
inside.
yeah, it's still nice, but. Wow. Wow. I love this.
I know.